let's look at the south.
That's just how I be. Trying to reach the things that I can see.
Yeah. You think I'm wrong, right? But I do what thing is right. Can't handle you on my worst days. I lost too much, that's why I don't celebrate my birthdays.
I can't tell you what it really is, I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe but I still fight, well I can fight. As long as the road feels right, it's like I'm in flight. High off a log, drunk from my hate. It's like I'm off and hanging, I love her the more I suffer. I suffocate, and right before I'm about to drown, she resuscitates me. She fucking hates me, and I love it, wait, where you going? I'm leaving.